The latest European red lists review the conservation status of roughly 6,000 species of freshwater fishes and plants and snails. Europe has a large variety of natural species and genes, collectively known as biodiversity. But it is threatened by construction and development, pollution and non-native invasive species, intensive farming and the over-exploitation of our natural resources on land and at sea. The European Commission has adopted a new 6-target strategy to halt biodiversity loss by 2020, encouraging sustainable fishing, forestry management and farming.
Come by, Lynn. Look back. Lynn.
Farmers are being encouraged to develop and adopt new sustainable agricultural practices, reducing the use of machinery and fertilizers.
Lay down. Lynn, lay down.
Kurt Sannen, who runs a Belgian farm an hour's drive from Brussels, operates an organic model that protects nature and makes money.
Wat ik probeer te doen met ons bedrijf is een stukje de natuur verkopen, maar dan in een positieve manier. Het mooie landschap dat je hier overal rondom ons ziet, wel, toeristen zijn erin geïnteresseerd. Wel, dat is een van de zaken die we doen op ons bedrijf. We laten toeristen komen om hier te overnachten en dat geeft ons ook een inkomen. Maar ook onze dieren die hier lopen, ook die kunnen een stukje het landschap verkopen. Met name het vlees dat we verkopen van onze dieren. Wel, de mensen zijn bereid om daar een bepaalde meerprijs voor te geven. Omdat het toch een zekere natuurkwaliteit ook in het vlees te proeven is.
In the future, the idea is that food will be grown by farmers who also act as conservation partners, safeguarding biodiversity, whatever the size of their farm.
We have just recently adopted the new financial perspective, so we are in the last phase of the preparation of the common agricultural policy. All these are important factors through which we want to address this issue of how we can help farmers that if they would be protecting the biodiversity, this would be considered as a kind of a public good, and they would be, of course, paid for that type of activity.
Rich biodiversity also helps to maintain high numbers of bees and other pollinators. They are crucial for our food production as they fertilize many plants and crops, like those on this farm 100 kilometers north of Valencia in Spain. Run by Cesario, a member of the Albar Association promoting organic farming and research.
Lo que intentamos es hacer un ciclo que no sea dependiente de recursos externos. La tierra alimenta al ganado y a las personas, el ganado alimenta a las personas y a la tierra, y la apicultura enriquece todo ese ciclo y le da y lo potencia mucho más.
Economic forecasts estimate that investing in biodiversity could be worth no less than $2 trillion annually by 2050. So protecting biodiversity and endangered species now on the red lists, like freshwater fishes or even the humble snowdrop, will not only benefit Europe's environment, but its bank balances too.